don't recognise myself. I'm a shell of my former beauty. My eyes are glinting with anger and are as red as the devil from the lack of breath. My lips are chapped and broken as my heart, which is beating a million miles a minute. My brain is filled with confusion. I'm starting to realise this is not an illusion. I'm burying my best friend today. Why am I throwing dirt on the ground? I'm not supposed to be here. Someone let me out of this terrible reality I'm in. How am I meant to fight this unfightable force without my hand holding yours? This was not how my life was supposed to go. I'm too young, too innocent to take this on. For fuck's sake, I'm only 21. Now everyone's staring and everyone knows. My head is clouded with the sight of whispers and moving mouths. My head is clouded with the sight of whispers and moving mouths. It will be them in my position one day. I want to scream at them, that would be improper. So I don't. I just whisper him my last goodbyes. And try to not let their judgmental eyes see me cry.